Hi and welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enforce a maximum session duration for managed accounts in Atlassian Guard. This means users are automatically signed out after a fixed period of time, regardless of whether they are still actively using the product. It's a simple but powerful control for compliance and zero-trust security models. My name is Marvin, and I'm working as a technical support engineer DevOps at Resolution.
This is my time. I'm on the rise. Can't hold me down, I'm too fly. This is my time. Ready to shine. Brighter than all of the lights. 'Cause when it's game time.
By default, Atlassian sessions can remain active for an extended period as long as the user keeps interacting. For many organizations, so especially those in regulated industries, that's not acceptable. You want to guarantee that a session expires after, say, 8 or 24 hours. No exceptions. That's exactly what this setting allows. So let me show you where to configure this. First, I will head over to Atlassian administration at admin.atlassian.com. Here it's security again, and go to user security and authentication policies. I will open the matching authentication policy. So in my case, I will use our SAML single sign-on authentication policies because it applies to all managed accounts. Inside this policy, I will scroll down to session controls. And you'll find here options called idle session duration, session expiration, and mobile app session expiration. In this video, we will focus on session expiration. You would need to change the default setting, which is set to never expires, to expires after. And now you could select days, hours, or minutes. And in my example, I will change it to 12 hours. And I will click on update. I need to confirm this change, and I get the confirmation that the policy was updated. Once saved, every managed account covered by this policy will be signed out automatically after 12 hours. No matter what they are doing. The next time they try to use Jira or Confluence, they will be prompted to sign in again. And that is already the main difference compared to the idle session duration. Here the session would be extended if a user would be active again. So this setting applies per authentication policy. If a user is in multiple policies, the policy follows the most restrictive one would be used. It requires Atlassian Guard Standard. To recap, enforcing a maximum session lifetime is a one field change that gives your security team a hard guarantee on session expiry. It is best for compliance requirements like SOC 2 or internal zero trust policies. You will find it at admin.atlassian.com security authentication policies. Thanks for watching.
This is my time. I'm on the rise. Can't hold me down, I'm too fly. This is my time.